Hey guys, Sering here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this super fresh makeup look that is perfect for the hot and humid Indian summertime. And I've created this full face of makeup using only one brand. And the brand in focus today is RENEE Cosmetics. Now, I recently received a bunch of products from RENEE, so I was very excited because you guys know I am all about finding good products that are affordable at the same time. So as you can see, RENEE has come up with a lot of new makeup products, and they've also launched a bunch of makeup brushes. I'm super duper excited to share all of these products with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I've already gone in and filled in my brows. Now to prep my skin, I'm going to take RENEE's face gloss, and as the name suggests, this product gives my skin the most beautiful illuminated look. At the same time, it has hyaluronic acid, which means it is very hydrating while being lightweight and non-sticky at the same time. Moving on with the face base foundation stick. In spite of being a cream based product, this foundation has sort of a mousse like texture which feels very lightweight on my skin. And to blend this foundation out, I'm going to use the RENEE foundation brush. And oh my god, you guys, I have been absolutely obsessed with RENEE's brushes. Like, the bristles they are made up of is super soft. Like, these are the softest brushes I own. And this foundation brush, as you can see, it is super densely packed, and the inverted V shape is so unique, but at the same time it is super functional because it just makes the job of applying my foundation a lot more easier and a lot more quicker as well. So lately I've been using this foundation brush religiously. So the foundation, as you can see, gives my skin the most natural look. It has like sort of a medium coverage that is totally buildable, and even if you build on this foundation, it does not look cakey. So it's a very lightweight formula. Moving on with the face base concealer, I'm using a lighter shade to highlight under my eye as well as on the T-zone area of my face. And then taking the same foundation brush, I like to gently pat the concealer in and blend it into the foundation to get that nice highlight on the center of my face. Now we want to set all of that concealer in place, and for that I'm using their face base compact powder. I feel like it sort of has a blurring effect, and as you can see, my skin appears a lot more smoother. And shout out to this blush brush that I've been really enjoying using as a setting brush. Now coming to my favorite part about this look, I'm going to be using the lip and cheek tint, which has got to be my most favorite product from their entire range. I'm going to be taking this with my contour brush, and firstly I like to warm up the product at the back of my hands like so, and then I just go ahead and pat that in all over my cheeks. And I'm not only using it as a blush, but I'm also applying that to areas where I would normally use my bronzer. I'm also taking that on the center of my nose, as you can see, and this product just gives my skin the most healthy and youthful look that I've been obsessed with. Next, moving on to another crazy product by RENEE. This is their pH stick, and as you can see, it looks totally black, but once you apply it on your lips, it turns into this beautiful sheer pink tint, and it's also very hydrating, which I absolutely love. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Golden Hour palette, and as you can see, it has such a beautiful mix of colors. Firstly, I'm taking the shade Tanned, which is a nice brick toned red shade, and I'm applying that to my lower eyelids using the RENEE eyeshadow brush. Next, taking this matte beige color on my fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the previous color so that it looks soft and blended out. Lastly, I'm taking this shimmery shade on my flat brush, and I'm using that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Next, taking RENEE's liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to draw a nice winged liner. And this liquid liner has got to be the blackest and the most long-lasting liners I've ever used. Now to finish off with the eyes, I'm using this super fluttery lashes by RENEE, and oh my god, these lashes feel super good quality and they feel very soft and natural. Now to finish off the whole look, I'm taking this beautiful peachy gloss and applying that generously all over my lips. In spite of being super glossy and shiny, it does not feel too sticky or tacky on my lips. It feels very lightweight. So that's pretty much it for my fresh summertime makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, all the products shown will be mentioned down in the description box. Also guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in another video. Bye guys.